You're not done yet.
Just a few minutes. I'll be done. Yeah. Okay. I'm okay now. I can enter and drive out.
See, please, sir. Can you take that Toyota to the mechanic? I think it's been 3 months now I serviced it.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'll do that.
How much is oil now?
The last time I bought is 35,000 naira, yes.
35,000. Okay, I'll send you 50,000.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. No problem, I'll do that. Should I use the balance to top up fuel?
No, come on. That's fuel tank. I mean, the last time I was at the filling station, I bought fuel tank. Use the rest for your weekend, okay?
My boss. I'm loyal. Your guy is loyal.
Say smart. Yeah? I've told you time with that number to stop calling me that name. What is boss? You are my bosom friend, right? Don't make it seem like you're my boy.
I know, but no matter what, you're still my boss. You're still my guy, my boss, my chairman, my organ. See, when I'm already here, basically move. Eh? I'm gonna be first as a my boss.
Smart. Smart, even at that. Don't.
I'm gonna go off, man.
Jude!
Go well.
Jude!
Open the gate. They're back here, they press with all these other people where they press phone with. Eh? This boy too like local foul. You see? After the gate, you cannot push. We will begin search this your room. Because you feel like they don't smuggle in some kind. Yeah? But Jude, why do you say you too like people? Local fowl. All these village girls, why do you say you too like them?
That's smart. You don't say
No. Wait, I called you and you're running to me. So we'll start talking as mates. Okay, come on this bucket.
Babe, your boyfriend bought a car. Eh? Also a car. Oh, my helicopter. Hey, Jerry, that's his boss's car, Jerry.
Hi, ladies.
Hello. Babe.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, I wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise? You'd have ended up surprising yourself because we were about going out. You'd have met our friends.
Really?
Micheal, what kept us now? Why did we waste so much time before you?
My spirit kept you guys. You see?
No, babe.
Yeah.
A phone call wouldn't have been bad. You would have just called to say, hello, babe, are you home? Where are you?
Yes, I've been doing that, but this time around, I wanted it to be very different.
Oh, okay. All right.
So where are you guys going to?
Well, Joy wants to follow me to the mall. Okay, I got an order from a client to make a dress. So I want to go to the mall to get the material.
Okay, then let me drop you off.
Oh, thank you very much. You just make our journey easy.
Let's go. Easy. I'll get a new house.
Thank you so much, baby. All right, so I will call you when we're home.
Okay, no, there's no need. I'm going to wait for you guys till you finish, then I'll take you home.
Wow, that's thoughtful of you. Thanks once again.
It's okay.
No, baby, no, I refuse. I mean, you can't possibly be waiting for us here. Do you know how long we're gonna take in there?
But I'm not complaining.
No, babe, I just want you to go home. Please, just go home. We'll take a cab home.
Babe, I am not complaining. I can wait here. I mean, forever since it concerns you. Okay, I don't mind. I can stay and wait till whenever. Till the world ends.
Baby, I don't want to stress you. I just want you to go home, please.
Okay, if you say so. When you guys are done, call me on the phone. Or when you're home, call me.
Alright, so I don't want you to take it the other way, okay? It's because this car is not your car, so I just want you to return it.
This car, I can use this car as long as I want. I can actually use this car as long as I want.
I know, baby, I insist. Just go home, okay? Alright, baby girl, let's go.
You're just forcing me to go, but for me,
go!
I don't feel like going. I feel like waiting for you guys till you get done and then I take you home.
Look at this young man. Baby girl, let's go. Alright, baby.
Okay, bye.
He's such a caring young man. See, you don't know smart, you don't know that guy. You know, sometimes I keep asking myself if he's naturally like that or he's acting that way because he's good. Maybe when he finally picks money, his true character is going to come out. You know, some men are genuinely caring. I mean, I once dated a guy back then in school. This guy was caring to a fault. Really? Yes. No. You can't compare his caring to that of Smart. Smart's own is too much. I mean, this guy washes my clothes, he does the dishes, he goes as far as washing my unders. Are you serious? Believe me, I'm saying the truth. I said, Smart is like that. Wow, girl. You know, I must say you are lucky. Really? You're lucky to have him because he's handsome and he does all of that for you. Hello, come on, tell me. I mean, these are the qualities that I actually saw in him that made me, you know, accepted him. And then I fell in love with him, you know. I mean, tell me who wants to date a broke guy in this century? No one. I try now, babes. I try. I know, right? You like Jesus.
You're smart. I'm back home. What's up? Come. Alright. I'll send someone to visit.
I'll go. Send me money.
This is trust and loyalty, love with a beautiful heart. I don't see that.
That's my bill.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alpha, where my guy is?
Today inside.
I took you long, you came back.
No, not how we call you for phone. Not time to
Make I see one.
anything for you ready.
Alpha,
Anything for the boy. Anything for the boy. Let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go now.
Sweet, love with the sweet, I'm a Nana, she love me, well, you love me, you love me.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm good. How did it go? It went well, but these mechanics here, they are criminals. They've been stealing from us.
How do you mean?
Do you know those oil that we used to remove from the car and drop at the mechanic? They sell it and make money.
Oh.
You can imagine I went to drop oil from the car and immediately a man that used to buy oil from them came and saw me and demanded that he needs the oil, that he wants to buy it. I thought it was a joke.
You mean they condemn oil?
Yes. I thought it was a joke. The man said that he's going to give me 5,000 naira. He gave me 5,000 naira cash and took the oil. You think I'm lying? I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. Let me show you the oil. Look at it. I made 5,000 naira from the condemned oil. Think.
Hey.
Is it not your money?
Smart, will you ever make money with this your over-transparent lifestyle? Look at the money you just made now. You want to give it to me?
My boss, it's not my fault. That's how I was raised.
Hey! Your name is Smart. But I wonder if you're actually smart.
Of course I am.
Look at you. You made 5,000 naira. You want to give it to me?
My boss, it's not my money. It's your car. It's your oil.
No,
it belongs to you.
No. You shouldn't give it to me. Keep it for yourself. You're not doing a bad thing. Ha!
I should keep it.
Ha! You know who gonna what? Will you ever make money?
My guy, it was a kanji. Yeah?
I know.
It's just been part of me. So I should take.
Keep it, I dash you.
Okay? I prefer the one you dash me than the one, I'll go and steal. I don't steal.
I'm not telling you to go and steal. I dash you. See, if you want to make money, you must be strong at heart. You must step on some toes. I'm not telling you to step on my own toes, but you will cross your boundary to make money. Not everything you're transparent. You account for it. This one you account for it.
Okay.
Smart.
Okay.
Be smart, oh. Be smart.
This is just me.
Be smart, You know how to perform this magic in the kitchen. This food is so tasty.
Well, you need to wrong. Of course, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Go ahead.
I want to get married. Yeah.
You want to get married?
Yeah.
Smart, are you supposed to be talking about marriage now? We had an agreement. I'm going to open a business for you. That should be what we should be talking about and not getting married.
My boss, I know. But when a man gets of age, the next thing is to look for his soulmate and get married.
Well, you need to be financially stable too. At least before then.
Yes, you're right.
For how long have you known this girl?
We've been dating for some time now. I know her. I know her very well that I want to get married to her. This girl is my soulmate.
Tell me more about her.
But you need to see this girl. She's very intelligent. She's beautiful. I mean, she practically trained herself through school and graduate. She's so hardworking. She does a lot of things. She's so both male and female. I mean, a lot of things. She's a woman that every man wants. She's every man's dream.
Wait. All these qualities in one woman.
Exactly. You need to see this girl. I don't just want to miss this opportunity because once I do, another man will just get married to her. Imagine in this era, a girl that is not materialistic. I wouldn't just want to miss her.
You seem so convinced about her. So, have you proposed to her?
Not really. I wanted to tell you first.
What are you waiting for? Propose to her, let's see how it goes.
Okay. Right.
I will send you 100,000 so you can get a befitting ring for her.
Hey!
And also take her to any cozy restaurants around the town. You can use any of my card.
This is why I'm talking about you. The boss of all time. You're the best. My man.
Smart. Smart is in love.
Alright, cheers. Let's cheers for this.
What are we toasting for?
For my new girl that is coming.
Good, I support you.
So, little girl, tell me, how do I look on my dress?
Gorgeous as always.
Thank you.
This dress is so fine.
Really?
Yes, the color.
I think color suits me very well.
You know, you have to look sexy and pretty for your guy as he takes you on a special day.
Joe, you know, I still don't know what smart means by special date, you know. I'm still trying to understand it. I don't know.
Well, I'm sure when you get there, he will tell you what that means. Or it's your mind telling you something.
Something like what? No, my mind is not telling me anything at all. Nothing.
Okay, now then relax. I'm sure he's going to tell you when you get there.
Fine, girlfriend, I heard you. He's calling. Okay. Hi, baby. Oh, you're outside. Alright, my love, just give me a few minutes. I'll join you, okay? Okay. Oh my. The love of my life is waiting for me right outside. So, darling, I don't want to keep my baby waiting. Okay, I have to go now.
My baby girl is in love.
Hey! You need to scream that. I'm so in love. Alright, baby, I have to go. Okay. Don't miss me much. Have fun. Bye.
I don't know if I should start all over again to tell you how beautiful you are.
Flatter me, baby.
No, I can't flatter you. You know, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I couldn't just take you out of my head. You brought in so much joy to my heart. And I keep asking myself, Where have you been all this while? Why haven't I met you? Why?
Baby. Anyways, thank you for the complimenting words. They gladden my heart.
You're welcome. You know, I can't just stop thinking about you. Hey. Sweetheart. Please. Will you marry me? Please don't say no, please.
Smart, can you get up? Just get up.
Not until you sleepless.
Smart, get up. We need to talk, and you know why. Just get up. Please, I beg you.
I am not going to get up until you say this to me.
Okay, yes, I'll marry you, but can you just get up first?
Oh my
Please,
God.
Just get up.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, babe. You like it?
Baby, how can you be talking about marriage now? When you and I know that you don't have something doing, you don't have a job. Baby, we cannot raise kids in this harsh economy when I'm the only person working. I'm the only one that has the source of livelihood here.
Don't worry yourself, I have a plan.
A plan? Honestly, baby, you need to tell me about this plan, okay? For the sake of my mental health. Please, I need to know what I'm doing with you. Please don't get me wrong, okay? I love you. I love you so much. I love you for who you are. I believe in you. I believe in your future. You're hardworking and you're honest. I mean, these are the prospective potential that makes a man rich. But please, baby, we need to do the right thing at the right time.
I understand. But like I said, I have a plan.
Okay, fine. Baby, tell me about this plan. What is the plan?
Okay. It goes like this. My boss has actually promised to establish me in a business. You know, he's aware of this move. He's really aware of this move, okay? And he's actually 100% in support of this marriage. So this will help him facilitate the action towards me.
Babe, do you trust him that much? I mean, you can't be planning marriage based on the male promise. You can't be planning based on what somebody promised you. You should be planning with what you have at hand.
Babe, can you just trust me on this? Can you? Trust me.
It's not like I don't trust you. It's just that I just wanted us to know what we're doing. But there's no problem, baby. I trust you. And I love you so much.
I love you too. Calm down, okay? I have a plan.
So I am so happy. My mind finally proposed.
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, congrats! My baby girl will soon be off the market.
Hello, I'm already off the market. It's glaring.
Thank you so much. I love it. It's so beautiful. Congrats, girl. Oh my. Cherry, I'm worried. It is true that I love Smart so much and I want to be with him. But his financial status, it bothers me.
Although he said that his boss is planning on setting him up in the business like he promised to, and that his boss is in support of our union. But still,
then you don't have to worry yourself. You told me the boss is wealthy and they are close. If they are that close, then you have nothing to worry about. What matters is that you two love each other. Listen, I've seen couples who had nothing except love survive marriage. Yes. So you have nothing to worry about. Really. Thank you so much, Joy. Thank you so very much. You're such a true friend. I mean, your kind words just it took all the fear in me away. Look at me. Yeah. You're welcome. What are friends for? Thank you. Meanwhile,
Congratulations, my dear friend. Say, this is a good news, I must tell you. See, I will single-handedly sponsor this marriage from the beginning to the end. Go and meet your in-laws, right? Get me the marriage lists. Also fix the dates. And please, the traditional marriage and also the white wedding should be the same day. Of course, meet the event planners, alright? And send me the bills. I am going to foot it from beginning to the end. Oh, come on. I will also keep to my promise, okay? As a matter of fact, I am going to establish you in the business immediately after your marriage. You're a good man, alright? You deserve better, you deserve even more.
Hey, you don't mean it. My boss, thank you so much.
Alright, I'll be waiting. Yes, we have a marriage to plan.
I appreciate. Hey! Onye kambuzi, Chinu Chetemo. Obele, God will continue to bless you for me. You get me, our enemies. Obele, nothing will happen to you. Hey! Onye kambuzi. Hi! There is nobody like you, Obele. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you for me. Hey!
I have money. A lot of it. But I've never been lucky in any relationship. All the girls that come close to me are just after my money. And none of them is worthy to be called a wife. She's either too materialistic, or too lazy, or a cheat, or a natural smoke addict. Ha! I have never been lucky in any relationship. Now my boy who has nothing is getting married because he is so fortunate to get a wife material. Chai! This life no balance. This life no balance at all.
I officially want to go and introduce you to my boss.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. I don't have a problem with that. Just fix a date, and when you are ready, tell me about it. I'm always available.
Fix a date, Kwa. No, we are going now. Yes.
Babe.
Yeah, just to put a call to him and we are off. Just to tell him that we're coming.
Hey, this man. All the time you are in the haze.
Yes.
Very well then, there's no problem. Just call him so we'll know if he's around.
Now you come. We need to do this, you know.
Fine, man.
Hello, boss. Yeah, I'm good. How are you doing now? Okay, I'm calling based on what we discussed yesterday. Yes, I'm coming with my woman. I officially want to introduce her to you. Okay, no problem. Deal.
So, what did she say?
Prepare, let's start going.
Oh, really? Very well then. So, I need to go inside and pick something super amazing. I mean, your boss needs to know that you have a very sharp girl.
I think we need to do that together.
Oh, really? Amazing. Please come and help me pick. Baby!
Again. What can I have better than Berlin? Alpha. What's the apple? I'll get it one. Oh! No. What's that? What are they see now, eh? I don't need prophet to tell me it is what it is. I know, say.
Yes, it is what it is.
Hey!
Where is my boss? Where's the guy?
The inside. See, that's one there. See, I swear, I underrate you. What do you want to see today, eh? I don't believe you die. I don't know if you get good eye for good things. Hey! Sorry. You know, you are beautiful. Ibrana, in on her side. The tomato just.
See how I'm just standing here, listening to you. You're rubbish. Let's
you are most welcome. Oh, that's man. Equal one, no. This is
Just relax, okay? This is my second home. Likewise, your home.
I know, right? Thank you so much, baby.
Just relax now, okay? Oh, the boss. The boss. I greet you. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Very well.
My boss, meet Helen, the lady I've been talking to you about. Yes, she's my fiancée. She's the one I want to get married to. You know, I told her, please marry me, and she said yes. Okay, so I've come to introduce her to you officially. Yeah. That's my boss. Oh. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
She's so beautiful. Yeah. Very, very beautiful. I mean, She's not bad.
Yeah, she is.
Smart. You got the eyes for the ladies.
You know?
Anyway, you have my 100% consent. Like I told you already, I wanted to go to their people and get the marriage list. And also meet the event planner to arrange and plan the wedding. Give me the bills. But don't forget, the traditional marriage and the white wedding must hold the same day. I mean, should hold the same day.
Thank you, my boss.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything for a beautiful woman like you. That doesn't mean that I will not finance you. I mean, the business we talked about. Okay. I am ready to finance your business as long as you're ready to start off. Okay. Just forward it to me, and I will do that for you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. May God bless you for me.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Let's go. Good.
A friend indeed is a friend indeed.
No, we are not going. We are coming. I smell like I can cure cancer. Hey! Look at me shaking. Fire. I feel I'm not going to wash my hand if you shake me. Arrest my dog! I do believe you now. I do believe you.
It's too much compromising, they're helping each other. The love is too much, the love is much. This is real friendship, this is real love. No compromising, they're helping each other. This kind of love, I've never seen it. This is real friendship.
What just happened now? Wait. Smart, my boy, is getting married to the most beautiful girl I've ever met in my life. Oh, wait. And I remember he told me this girl has all the good qualities that a man needs in a woman. No wonder he's so quick to marry her off. Because of course he knows. He knows when men of caliber see her, they will forcefully take her away from him. He knows. And when that happens, that will be the end for him.
Now you're happy, right? There's no need to ask you. I can see it on your face. You're happy.
Babe, you don't want me to be happy?
You almost embarrassed me the other day at the hotel, while I was asking you to marry me. You embarrassed me. You acted as if it was strange. I was embarrassed.
Come on, baby. Stop. It wasn't my fault, okay? It's just that I never saw it coming. Plus, I needed to be sure of what I was getting myself into.
Okay. No problem.
So now I'm sure, yeah? I'm very sure.
You're sure, right?
Yes, I'm sure. Your boss is such a jolly good fellow.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I mean, he's such a nice man. You're so lucky to have him in your life.
One thing God has done for me, wherever I go, I meet good people. Just like the way I came across you. That was the way I met him. and he's been so nice to me. So since then, we've been good.
Wow.
If I tell you how much this man gives me on a daily basis, you'll be marveled.
Okay.
Hello, Fred. Please, I'm stopped on the way right now. I'm at that Okosisi Avenue. I had a next tire. My tire. I don't have tools here. Ha! Hi. Oh, what do I say around here?
Obele, Smart, is this you? No, I can't believe this. No, this is not you.
Smart, Natch.
This is not Obele that I'm seeing.
Hey,
it's
Smart!
Not possible. Hey! See, this is not. It's not Obele that I'm seeing.
Smart!
I can't believe this.
Hey! What are you doing here now?
Obele, I can't believe that you're the one I am seeing.
My goodness.
Ewo, no verse. Sorry, my brother. No verse, I beg. Thank you. No verse here. Hey, Obele. My brother. I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
What are you doing in this town?
I should be the one asking you what you are doing here. What are you doing here?
My brother, now here arrest. Oh, now here. I just stay here for now. Since after our secondary school.
Yeah.
Yes, I've been here all this while since my Augusta told me. I just decided to settle here.
Well, you know, after school I left for abroad.
Oh, really?
So I've been there for so many years. I came back to Nigeria. Smart, you never change. But I've been here like 4 years now since I came back from abroad. Yes, I bought a house here and I'm living here since then.
And I've never come across you.
What have you become? Smart. What do you do now?
My brother is hustling and bustling and all that. You know, since the government stopped the usage of Okada in this town, my business just crumbled because I was into motorcycle parts.
Hey.
You understand? So since that thing happened, my business just crumbled. We're not doing anything again. You know, I just do anything I see I do. I just do street. You know, they hustle them, they go. Anything at all.
Smart.
You know?
Smart. You be strong man now.
Yes,
you can hustle your way.
Yes,
Man, I was just coming from somewhere and my car just stopped me. I realized that I had a punctured tire.
What happened?
I don't understand. My tire. I don't have tools here. I don't have the tools here.
This is not a problem now. With this street now.
No problems around.
You know what's happened? Calm down. Okay, let me hustle organizer for you. Okay, calm down. They come.
Smart.
So that was how he took me in and asked me to always come around and help in some house chores, you know, so I can stay off the street. I mean, he has been so wonderful to me, you know, but since then I've been so helpful to him anyway. Like I told you before, if I tell you what he gives me on a daily basis, based on money, maybe you'll be surprised.
Wow. But you are also a blessing to him, you know. Yes. I mean, it's not easy for a full-grown man like you to run errands to be Obele's errand boy. It's not easy. It's not everybody that is gonna do it. For real. You're just incredible. Baby.
Even when I'm 2 years older than him.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You're 2 years older than Obele.
Yeah.
Oh my, you see? It's not easy, babe, and still you are so loyal and humble. Babe, see. I know that he deserves accolades, but you deserve more accolades, because tell me who is gonna, tell me in this time and age, stop anybody that wants to be his errand boy. Nobody will want to do that now, especially when he's a younger dude.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I just hope he keeps to his promises.
Of course, as long as he has said it, he will do it.
Really? You trust him that much?
At least I trust him. Yeah.
See the way you talk with so much confidence.
He's a good man,
All right.
Yeah. You're happy now, huh?
Of course, I'm happy, baby.
Okay, so where do we go to now? I'm taking you out.
Babe, just go and drop me at home. I don't want to go.
You get town Kobe.
Mba achorum.
Yeah, town Kobe.
Achorum.
Yeah, town Kobe.
Mba ikagulam.
It's around Kobe tag.
You know, this is what we call brother from another mother. I'm telling you, baby girl, you can say that again. The way this guy treats my man like he's his older brother. So sweet. Chai. Joy. There is something that happened that got me worried. What was that? You know, while we were at Obele's place, like the moment he came downstairs, the moment he saw me, he couldn't hide his admiration. It was so loud that I became so uncomfortable.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
And what did you guys say about that?
Smart did not even notice anything. I was so surprised. He did not even act like something happened. Believe me. Okay, even when we were driving home, I was expecting him to say something towards that direction. But baby girl, my mom did not say anything. So, I kept mute. I should not be the one to raise such a delicate topic.
Girl, if what you are telling me is true, then be rest assured there is trouble. Trouble is coming.
Trouble? What did you mean by trouble? See, baby girl, all I know is that when a man makes advances at me, like there's a way a man will look at me, I will know that this person wants me. That was what I saw in his eyes, that look, I saw it.
Of course you will. Let's just pray he doesn't press further.
I hope so too. Or do you think I should discuss it with Smart?
No. I think the way you ignored it is better.
Right?
You should be the one to raise such topic, not you.
My thoughts as well.
No, now. Smart shouldn't be the one having that woman when I have been so unfortunate with women. It should be the other way around. What is this? No, Obele. Obele, to be so foolish of you to sponsor this marriage. I will be the greatest fool to sponsor this wedding. Mbano. I should be the one having this woman, not this small boy. What's going on? If he truly loves this girl, let him pass her to me. To me, I deserve her. I should be the one finding a way to have this woman to my side and also find a way to settle him awesomely. I mean, he doesn't deserve her. He doesn't deserve her, but I do! After all, I have money. I have everything it takes to take good care of this girl. What does he have?
You took my gun on service for weakness.
I would like you to ask your mom to call your uncle and tell him that will be coming over to collect the marriage list and actually do the introduction properly.
Okay, so when precisely will I tell her that you people are coming?
The main thing here is that I would want you to call her as soon as possible. I want this thing to be done as fast as possible.
Nobody's asking you to waste time now. I'm just asking, when precisely should I tell her that you people are coming? Okay, because they need to prepare one or two for their soon to be in there. Do you want to take them in hours?
Okay, that's tomorrow. Is it too close?
Next tomorrow. Okay. I shouldn't be the one to decide on that. I just have to call my mom, okay? And they should be the one to decide.
I want it to be done as fast as possible.
Babe, you're still saying the same thing now. Eh? Relax. Okay, fine. When I get home in the night, I'll call her.
Why don't we call your mom straight away, right now, right here?
Babe, when I get home, I'll call her, okay? Once I get home at night, I'll call her.
What happens now? Now, let's call her now. Let's call the people now. Okay?
Is anybody chasing you?
No.
Relax now. Just relax. Okay, fine. See the thing. My mom is in the market like right now. And I'm very, very sure of that. And you know these old women, they don't go to the market with their phones. Just relax. At night I'll call her, but then she will be at home. Just relax, babe.
I don't know whether if she's having her small phone, it would vibrate.
Just relax.
What happens now? Now.
I see the one you have in your house. She doesn't go to...
Try leave me alone.
Babe, leave me alone, John. There's something to you. You don't want to understand me. She won't take the call. Call her. Relax.
Why did that?
Mama. Relax. Calm down. Hey. That's the kind of thing you like to hear. Well, he is from Imo State, but he stays here in Asaba with us. Yes. He was into selling of motorcycle parts before the government banned the use of motorcycle in the state. He's planning on changing business, although he has not started anything yet. But immediately after our wedding, he will start something. Ah, Mama, take it easy now. Who told you doesn't have money to marry your wife? Hey! But Mama, that doesn't mean he doesn't have money. Mama, can you just relax? Relax, you ask too many questions. Okay, fine. Oh, hold on. Let me tell you the reason I called. Fine. The reason I called is to tell you that they are coming next tomorrow. Yes, they want to come and collect the marriage list. So if it's convenient for you, then I need to be in the village tomorrow. So we can sit down and discuss. Yes, Mama. Okay, fine. Reserve all the questions for tomorrow. When I come, you can ask me all the questions you want to ask me. I could have face to face. Alright, Mama, please tell them in time. Oh. Okay, Mama. Alright, Mama. Good night. I love you. Mwah. Nemo. Hey.
The boss, I want to go to the village to meet with my in-laws for the introduction and collection of list. So I want to ask if I can go with a small car.
But you've been the one driving it since.
Yes, driving far down to the village and driving it inside the town they are two different things.
Oh, okay. It's okay, you have my consent. Go with her.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
The boss, once we come back, I would like to fix the date immediately. I don't want it to exceed 2 to 3 weeks. Highest 3 weeks. I am done with everything. Then I go home with my wife.
Smart. Why are you in a rush? I mean, I don't get it. What's going on? Oh, wait. Is she pregnant?
Oh, no, she's not. She's not. Not at all.
Okay, I just wanted to be sure she's not pregnant.
No, she's not at all.
Okay. Smart.
Yes, boss.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay. Go ahead.
How much do you love this girl? I mean, if you're asked to place a monetary value on her, how much can somebody give to you that will make you leave her for him?
The boss, the truth is that I can never trade her love. I can never trade it. I love her from here. That's the truth.
Maybe you do not understand what I'm trying to ask you here. I mean, if a man gives you 50 million naira to leave that girl for him, are you telling me that you, smart, you're going to reject it?
15 million naira.
Yes.
The boss, with $1 million, I cannot. I mean it. I love her so much. Wow. Hey, that's the truth.
That's nice. Nice to hear. Smart, you are in love.
Yeah, I'm always smart, So I can go with the smoker, right?
Oh, sure.
Thank you so much.
Hello, babe. Yeah, my boss has consented that I come to your place with his car. I'm not going to come with public transport again.
Hi, thank God. I'm so happy you see, babe. I told you to tell him, but you were scared. I don't want to tell him. You see, I'm so happy. It's more honorable to drive down here in that car than to jump bike. At least my village people will not laugh at me.
Yeah, you're right. I hope you guys are getting ready. So we're coming tomorrow. Tell your mom to prepare egusi soup for me. You know I love egusi soup so much.
Yes?
Babe, something happened earlier today when I was telling my boss about coming to your place with his car.
Okay. What is that? What did he say? What happened?
Babe, my boss was asking me like, how much can someone give to me so I will let go of you? I told him no amount. He now repeated, like if someone gives me like 50 million naira at this present condition, can I let go of you? I told him no, even with $1 million, that I can never do it. I can never let you go. You know, so I'm just surprised why he's asking me that kind of question. Hello, babe?
Yes, babe. I'm here. I was just pondering over what you just said. Maybe he's trying to test the love that you have for me.
That's what I'm thinking also. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know why he's asking me that kind of question. But are you busy? Someone distracting you?
Yes. No. No one is distracting me. I'm here.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. I think you're being distracted there.
Alright. Good night.
I hope he's not trying to back me off. I knew it. I saw this coming. I saw it in his eyes that very day. I saw it in Obile's eyes. The way he was looking at me, he was staring. My God, help me. I don't want to be the reason two friends are fighting. I don't want to cause problem between them. Hey.
Ugochi!
Mama, I'm coming!
Yeah. Part 1, done and dusted. Getting ready for part 2, the proper introduction. What is it?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Don't tell me you're fine. You're not fine. What is it?
Babe, I am fine.
I will not take that. Don't always tell me you're fine.
I'm okay.
You know, this same issue made me call the call on you yesterday. Now you're doing it again. You're becoming absent-minded. You're becoming too cold. I was with you in your house earlier today. You were so cold. You were not even excited at all. What is wrong with you? Now don't tell me nothing is so wrong with you because you know you'll be lying. Else you don't want to tell me what is going on.
Baby, you worry too much. I just said I'll be fine.
So, let me take it that you don't want to tell me what is going on or what is wrong with you.
No, babe. There's nothing to worry about. I am fine. I'm okay.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Let me take my leave now. Let me go see my boss and tell him how we went.
Alright, babe. There's no problem. I'll see you soon.
You still don't want to tell me, right?
There's nothing.
It's okay. Take care.
What is troubling my woman? Whatever it is, must be very serious. Why is she hiding it from me? Could it be that her mother is trying to discourage her from marrying me? No. The woman was very happy all through my stay in their place. Even her uncles, they were all excited. She was the only one that wasn't excited. Something was truly troubling her. Whatever that is, I must find out.
Okay, come here. Why are you walking straight, facing up? So you didn't see me?
I saw you. Welcome.
Welcome. Where's my guy? What is wrong with everybody in this house? What is going on?
What is going on? He's not picking his calls. Why is everybody acting up? The gate man giving me attitude, my girl giving me attitude, and
A friend in need is a friend indeed. Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're what's in if you don't see people are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing.
Boss. 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 Boss.
Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're worst enemy. If jealousy,
Boss, can you hear me? Boss, open the door. I'm back. Boss. Boss. Obele.
Asking for help. What's the reach are facing the
I thought you said my boss is inside.
Yes, now he's inside now.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Look around now, is there any cameras in here? Maybe he doesn't want to see you, I don't know.
He doesn't want to see me. Why? How?
That question I cannot answer. I don't know. Please.
It's okay. Open the gate for me.
No. He cannot go with the car keys. He instructed me to collect the car keys.
What?
He said make I collect car keys.
Obere asked you to collect the car key from me?
Yes, I'm sorry, no verse. You can call him on phone to verify.
I should call someone. I've been knocking on his door for a long time now. He's not opening. Yeah, Oh, okay. Okay, I'm getting it now. He asked you to collect the car key from me, right?
Yes.
Open the gate for me. Or he asked you not to allow me go too? Eh? Open the gate for me. Open the gate!
That I wanted to help. Let us see how you are going to get married to her.
Joy. Our suspicions has turned out to be true. Wait. You mean he asked Smart if he's given 50 million naira? If he's going to, accept it and leave you?
He said it. Obele said it.
Matter don't be now. Matter don't be. As it is now, this guy wants you. He wants you at all costs.
That is not even my problem, babes. Nobody don't want to do me first. My problem is Smart. I mean, why can't he see this? Like, why can't he figure it out? Am I supposed to tell him this?
No.
Why can't he read the handwriting on the wall?
No, you don't have to tell him. After all, Obele never asked you out. What if you tell him and it turns out that Obele doesn't want you?
Exactly my point. Joy. This is the reason I don't want to say anything to Smart. I want the young man to figure things out himself.
This is bad. So what happens now?
Really bad. Very bad.
Let me ask you. What if he comes for you? What will you do?
No, please. That question is my greatest nightmare. He should never ask. If Obele asks, everything will go sour. Everything will spoil, babes. You know that Obele is Smart's backbone. He's the reason for this marriage. Obele cannot be coming for me now. When he's the one that is going to sponsor this wedding. It's insane. It's not making sense at all.
You're right. It's not making sense.
So what are you going to do?
Imagine you can join me.
I just don't feel right about this. Trouble is coming.
Joy, I'm just praying to God. God, please, I beg you. Prayer is the only thing I know I can do now. Please. Take me out from this mess. This should not happen. I'm begging you, please. Hey.
What is he trying to do? Is Obele trying to play tricks on me at this critical time? Now that I needed him most, is he trying to play smart games on me? After all I've done for him, I've served him for 3 years like a slave. Is it what is? If this is what Obele is thinking, I think he should think. But I want to know, it's not going to be good at all. We're in this together. No retreat, no surrender. On this earth for me, the worst day. I don't just understand what happened. This day was supposed to be a very sweet and smooth day for me, but it turns out to be the worst day of my life.
Babe, what I thought you said I thought Obele was a nice guy.
He's a nice guy, yo. I was still waiting. I waited for him. I waited at the sitting room because he was sleeping. I even went to knock on his door room. He didn't come out. I stayed till I couldn't stay again. I was about to go in, the security man rushed me and said, Obele said I should collect the car keys from you. I was like, oh, that was when everything became clear to me.
Wait, babe, this is not good. This is not good at all. Hey, should you see why I was asking you? I was asking you, do you trust this guy? You said yes, and you trust him with everything in you. You trusted him with your life. You see?
I trusted him. I trusted him with everything in me, but yesterday was so bad. I don't just know what happened. This whole thing, you caused this whole thing. Yes, you caused it because you were too cold. You were too cold at me. I don't just know what happened. What came over you? You caused all these things that is happening.
Babe, can you calm down? It's not my fault. This same mood swing still boils down to this same Obele. He was the reason I was not myself in the village yesterday.
What do you mean by that?
I'm trying to say that, yesterday I was having a mixed feeling. So something in me was telling me that Obele was going to disappoint us. And you see, that feeling was so strong. So I was asking myself,
What if Obele disappoints us? What are we going to do? Hey, that was my fear. Now you see that my fear has come to realization. You've seen it.
Don't worry. I'll still go back there today. We're going to iron things out. Yes, iron things out.
Yeah, baby, I'll be very busy. Baby, I this everyone never. Yeah, baby, I'll be very busy. Baby,
Good. Come on, open the gate. Alpha.
Yes?
Can't tell me yes. Open the gate here. Telling me yes.
Our guy is not around.
Even if he's not around, can't you open the gate for me? Am I a stranger here?
I say, our guy no dey around.
You stop this rubbish and open the gate for me.
Our guy smart. I will tell you the truth. With my person. Our guy man no open this gate for you. For any reason.
Obele say you make me no open the gate for me.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. When he said that to you, what did you tell him? Did you tell him that what he's trying to do to Smart is not good? Meanwhile, why would you want to not to open the gate for me? Eh? Have I not served him enough? I've served him like a slave in this house. So what's his bringing not to open the gate for me?
It should be say, our guy even slapped me because of you. When I tell him say what they do you no good. He beats me, Jonah. He even tell him to sack me.
Wait, Obele actually told you not to be opening gate for me.
I will tell you. Even now, I'm not what you do no good.
It's okay.
No vex. I beg.
It's okay.
I don't feel do anything.
It's okay.
No vex.
but the rich are oppressing with their power. Yeah, baby, I'll be very busy. Baby,
Now I know why the Bible says that we should not put our trust in a man. That curse should be unto that man who puts his trust in a man. I put my trust in a man, in a mere human being, than putting my trust in God.
No, baby, don't say that. You're not cursed. You can never be cursed. Can you just calm down? Just calm down. Everything will be fine. See, babe, I want you to know that when one door closes, another door will open. Okay? It's okay.
Where will I start from? I've collected the marriage list from my in-laws. And I've told them that I'll come and see them because I've collected dates. Where will I start from? What am I going to do?
Babe, it's okay. You see this God in heaven. I know that He will see us through. Babe, this is just our trying times and we'll pull over. Don't worry. Stop crying, please, baby. Stop. It's okay. It's now.
What have I done to Obey? What have I done to him upon all I've done for him? Why? Why must he treat me this way? Why?
It's okay. It's okay. I know that my God will not shame us. He will not allow our enemy laugh over us. Oh, stop crying. Oh, baby, come on. Please stop. It's okay.
the heart of man.
The gatekeeper denied him access.
Exactly what I'm saying, Joy. He did. He did not allow him enter the compound.
This is bad.
Very bad. Very, very bad. At this point now, I don't even know what to believe again. I'm so confused.
Well, let's see how it goes.
What did you say? Let's see how it goes. Baby girl, we have fixed a date for my wedding. Don't you understand that?
Smart should act as a man that he is I mean, this is the time for him to prove himself as a man. The marriage should hold against all odds. The date has been fixed. Yes.
Joy, but you know it's not going to be easy. It will not be easy on him.
Well, men still perform difficult tasks. He should prove himself to be a man.
Joy, what if Obele comes for me the way we've been insinuating?
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. As for now, I think we should concentrate on your marriage with Smart, without Obele. Yes. Smart should learn how to, conquer his challenges without him. He should brace up and be independent.
This is trust and loyalty, love with a beautiful heart. I don't see.
Yeah, bro. Where are you? Oh, good. Tell them to take you to the country. Okay? I'll tell one of my boys to come there and pick you up. Because I'm really sorry I can't make it there. Oh, yes. I sent your number to him already. He will call you now. Okay. Smart!
Yeah.
Come, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, Smart, please, I want you to pick up one slay girl I hooked up from Instagram. It's her first time of coming to Asaba.
Oh, really?
So she's at a Buzo Junction. Go there and pick her up.
Okay.
I already sent her number to your WhatsApp.
Okay. I still have food on fire. So let me get it down. Finish what I'm doing then. I'll go pick her.
Fine. Alright, at least call her. Call her that you're coming.
Okay, that's my phone. Okay. Let me do that.
Alright.
Okay.
That's it.
Hello? Yeah, I'm there now. Which side are you? I'm at the junction. Yes, that junction, yes. Where are you? I'm inside the car, a Fencer. Yeah, green. Light green Fencer. I'm not seeing you. Are you seeing? Who is that? You're not seeing me. Who is that? Hold on. Who?
That your boy is very stupid and useless. Like, I don't understand. Why would he stop picking my calls? He didn't even know where I was. Somebody I told that I was coming to Asaba for the first time, and he refused to pick my calls. Like how? I don't understand.
I am really sorry, right? That boy is a very, very useless boy. He's not even picking my calls. I've been calling.
He's very lucky I didn't meet him here. I could have killed him alive.
Hey, come on. Calm down. Don't allow all this to mess our mood, right?
I'm already upset. Like I'm upset. I'm angry.
See, I can make it up to you, right? Don't be like this.
Sorry, sir. There is a problem.
What is it?
Some men, they carry other Smart come back. I don't even know if he's still alive or not. Bruises all over his body.
What? What about my car?
Okay, see other Smart, but I don't see car.
Be right back.
Which kind of bad market is this one?
had problem with those governors boys that shake traffic on the road. They attacked him and beat him. They would have killed him if not for our intervention.
My God. Where's my car?
They deflated the tires.
I've been trying to call his phone and he's not picking up. Huh?
Those guys stole his phone and the little money he had on him.
Oh my God. Where's my car keys? Huh? Give it to me, please.
Oga, all those questions are not necessary. When we take this man to hospital before he die here.
Take him to the hospital now. What do you have to bring him here to die?
Eh? You talk to me. We don't get any money now. Find money, give us, we will carry and come out for this place.
Take him to the hospital very fast, eh? I will give you my phone number. Call me. Whatever happens, just call me. Alright? Take my phone number, please.
What happened?
It's nothing, okay?
Okay.
So tell me. I am really, really so sorry for what happened, right?
It's fine.
Please, go outside and meet them. Don't allow them to come inside here, please.
Who are you talking about?
Some men from the police force came to... See, it's a long story, alright? Tell them you are Obele. Don't allow them to come inside here.
I don't understand.
Go now, you like ask them to me questions. Go.
Yeah, good day.
Yeah, Mr. Belago, I guess.
Is there any problem?
You have to follow us down to our station for some questioning.
What kind of question?
You'll get to know when you get to our station, and I advise you cooperate with us, okay? Officer, move in.
Okay, let's go. That was how I went to jail. For something I know nothing about. I spent 6 months at the jail for a sin you committed. I almost lost my life because I was protecting you. Obele, you're wicked. Obele, you're heartless. Where is your conscience? Upon all I did for you. Upon all I did for you, Bere. Now is your turn to do for me.
Really, why? I spent 6 months in the jail just because of you. It will never be well with you. God will judge you. As for my marriage with Helen, nothing will ever stop it. It must happen. It must happen.
This is trust and loyalty, love with a beautiful heart. I don't see love, she say this.
Where are you headed to?
Love with the sweet.
I have an order. So I'm going to the mall to get a few hairs I want to send to my customer in Port Harcourt tomorrow.
I learned you work so great. You're a workaholic. I like that.
Thank you.
I'll drop you off at the mall. Stay back and wait for you when you come out. We can go to a nice place, a cozy restaurant where we can sit and talk.
Sorry, there'll be no need for that. We can say whatever they want to say in this class.
No, our conversation is going to be very, very long. So we might not even finish it before we get to the mall.
There's no problem, even if we don't finish. Once we get to the mall, you pull over. We could continue the conversation, and once you're done, I'll like the car, and then you can leave without waiting.
Why don't you want to sit with me and talk?
Nothing. I just feel like it's not necessary. I mean, we could say whatever they want to say in this car.
Why? I insist.
I'm sorry, I can't go anywhere with you. Please.
Well, I'm forced to ask why. Why?
Why?
Yes.
Did you just ask me why, Obele? You are my friend's man and boss at the same time. You expect me to go and sit down and talk with you? Why would I do that? I mean, right in my presence, you promised him heaven and earth. You promised him you were going to do this and that for him. But what did you do? When he needed you the most, you turned your back at him. Why would you even do such a thing? And you expect me to sit down and discuss what with you exactly? You've caused him so much pain. And then you want me to sit and have a conversation with you? Hell no, I will not do that. Okay? Smart has sacrificed a lot for this friendship.
You don't know Smart more than I do. Alright? You don't, and that is why I want us to sit and discuss. Right now, I'm taking you to the mall. I'm going to stay there. When you come out, we can go to a nice place and talk over these things, alright? Stop yawning, come on. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. That's the mall.
Yes.
Here we are. I hope I'm not being too forward. I hope she wouldn't turn me down. Oh God. Obele, shut up. No woman on earth has ever rejected you. You have a lot of money to spend. And every woman needs money. Every woman on earth wants money. Obelago na chigwe yoso. Be in control. Shut up. You will get her on a platter of gold. Yes, I will get her on a platter of gold.
There is a way. I have fixed my date, my marriage date with Helen. And nothing will ever stop it. Smart. Smart, you're a man. You are a man. This is the time to show the stuff you're made of. That was what you can do. Can you listen? I'm a man. Hello, babe. What's up? Huh? Where are you? Okay. I'm coming. Yeah, hold on, I'm coming.
Let me leave here at once. My God. Smart! What is Smart doing here? My God. So, this girl called Smart. Oh! Thank God he didn't see me.
Yes, babe. Yeah, where are you now? I'm coming downstairs. You're here? Oh, where's that? Hey, babe.
What is it?
Thank God you're here.
You sound so tense on the phone. What's going on? Huh?
There's no problem. Let's go. Let's just
No,
go.
no. This time around, you're going to tell me. Don't just try to dodge away from it. What
Let's
happened?
just go now.
What happened? What is it?
Okay, fine. When I was coming, I noticed that there were some boys that was following me. They looked like thugs. So they were following me and I became so scared. The moment I got here, I just ran upstairs and I said to call you.
So where are they now?
Yeah, I've been looking for them. I can't find them. They are not here. They are not here to be found.
It's okay. You're safe now, okay? Are you fine?
I'm fine.
Come on, let's go.
That was too close. What in God's name just happened? Wait. Does it mean she loved him so much? She chooses him over me? No! No, now! For what? Instead of this guy to have this girl, I better sell everything I have to have her! Let her marry him! Money! After all, money stops nonsense. I will do everything money can do to have her Here in my house and in my life. Money will be the problem. I will sell everything I have.
At first, I didn't want to enter his car. But on the second thought, I said, Obele is my man's friend and boss at the same time. I mean, this is the second time I'm seeing him since Smart introduced me to him. Besides, I don't even know the reason he wants to give me a lift, so I just entered. But how did he, find you home? How did he know your home address? Joy, can you ask this kind of question? Why do you talk like this now? Ha! You and I knows that when a man wants a woman, he will go to any length to get whatever information he wants to get. He can't be a rich guy, person will get money. I don't want a small thing for him now. See, he will use anything within his power to get that information. Getting my details is a very small thing for him now. You should know that. Ha. So, he was waiting for you at the mall. My dear. The moment I got down from his car, believe me, I thought he was going to drive off. Okay. Although I didn't waste time in the mall, I just got the few hairs I wanted to get, and coming out from the mall, I saw Obele's car parked, still waiting for me. And then I said to myself, Helen, no way. There's no way you're going back to that car. Because I was already pissed off. And then I thought of what to do. I didn't know what to do. I said, okay, let me walk past this car. On the second thought, I said, if I walk past this car, Obele might create a scene. So I decided to call Smart to come over. This guy is serious. More than serious. Yes, I told you this thing. I told you that very day I went to that house. The way he was looking at me. He was looking at me lustfully. I saw it in his eyes. Men can be unpredictable. More than unpredictable. See, girlfriend, I said to myself, if Obele thinks he's going to frustrate Smart just to have me, then he needs to have everything, because me, Helen, will go to any length to see that this marriage work. Believe me, I'm going to spend down to my last savings and even borrow money from the bank to answer Smart's wife in 3 weeks. This is unbelievable. I mean, I can't even imagine it. I can't believe it's happening. I told you. Anyways, what does Smart say? What does Smart say? In what sense? I don't understand. You didn't tell him? Tell him what? Babe, you expect me to tell... No, now, I can't do such. Why did I tell him? See, I told him a lie. I told him that some talks were trailing me, they were following me, and I was so scared that he should come over and pick me. That was what I told him. I can't possibly... Let me fight, boss. Babe, I cannot get strength, oh. Hey! You have a point? Yes, now. Okay, now. Listen. What if Obele still have plans of settling Smart? This information alone can ruin everything. You know it. You're right. That's it. Obele. To get money for this life, good oh. Now money man, they use the oppressive fellow man. Sorry, please, you see your home?
You have a parcel.
Me?
Are you not Helen Duru?
Yes, I am.
You have a parcel. Please, you have to sign.
You took my gun on service for weakness.
Your name, I'm sorry.
Sorry, please, leave me out. Where's this coming from? Like, who sent it?
I wouldn't know. I'm just a delivery boy. It is not in our company's position to disclose the sender identity. I believe when you unwrap it, you find out who the sender is. Thank you very much. And do have a great day.
You too.
No going back at all. You were bad friend, now I know. You served me pain for my kindness. I go give you, give you, give you, baby how you want it. I must give you, give you, give you, baby how you want it. No more friendship, no more. We are enemies, no more.
No notes, no message, no... I mean, who's going to send somebody a password without a note or... Hello? Hello, please, who is this?
Obelagunachi Igwe, your son.
How did you get my number?
You don't ask an eagle how it flies, higher and higher than the wind, do you?
What do you want?
I want you. I want us to sit and talk.
Obelago, listen. If we must sit and talk, then my man has to be there. Yes! I mean, tell me what I will be discussing with you alone. You want me to sit with you and discuss for what? After everything you did to my man?
I sent you a token for transportation to anywhere of your choice. Restaurants, fast food, name it. Yes, I want us to sit and talk. It is for your own good and that of your man. But this time around, I do not want you to play smart, okay? But come, you will not regret it. Not one bit.
See, hello? Wait, hello? Who the hell does this guy think he is? Like...
When money speaks, they listen. When it rails, they bow down and worship you. Truly, money stops nonsense.
Oh boy, I don't know. I just need someone who can borrow me money. At least 500k. Yeah, 500,000. I'll be okay. In this harsh economy. Yes. What can 500k do for you? Okay, I'm not going to do an elaborate wedding anymore. I'm not going to make it big. I just want to do small wedding. Just invite few persons, few friends, few family members, even just few persons. And once I pay 70% of what is in the list, I'm fine. Yeah, but smart. I thought you said this your girl is independent. She's into a lot of things. Eh? Why can't she help you now that Obele has disappointed you? That could be the belly for now. Okay? Just leave up belly for now. Once I see who I'm going to borrow money from, I will do it. Okay? You see my girl loves me so much. But for now, I don't really want to involve her in this. I just want to do it. Because after wedding, we still have a lot of things to do. You know, house rent, properties, and all that. We still have things to buy. I don't just want to involve her and take out a picture of this. Really, you're correct, though. You're very correct. But your guy no try for you at all. I told you to make you leave Obele out of this talk now. Okay? I will take care of myself. If you have anybody that we can bring money from, please, let's do it. Or anyway, do you have? I don't know. Okay. I know of one man. He's into these savings and loan. Okay. So he gives people money with interest. Okay. He can even loan you up to 1 million naira, 10 million, whatever amount you want. He can give it to you. Why didn't you tell me since? You did not tell me that you want to. So what are we still waiting for? Let us go now. If you are ready now. Let's go. Yeah.
Babe, 500k for transport. My sister, 500,000 naira. Babes, I don't look this money tired. I don't look now real. I mean, this guy is in so much money. He doesn't even look like somebody that has something he wants to do with money.
Babe, money is the language every woman understands.
Believe me, baby girl, you can say that again. Look at me now. Me don't need money past federal government. You get me on the hustle since secondary school. You know my matter. And I know be today I begin hustle. Now this man won't use money take tempt me. What's it with this?
You see this temptation? You get level. This one
get level.
I swear.
Hey! Oh. Joy. See, at this point now, I'm confused. Believe me, I don't even know. Should I go and see him?
Well, you know, you can't judge a book by its cover. I think you should go and see him and hear him out. He might mean well for you.
Okwaya?
Yes, now. You know, just go and see him first. You know, whatever he says to you, determine the answer you give him.
Hi. You have a very good point. This is you see, I always talk about you, this girl. Your brain, you always work. Your brain is sharp.
I know.
You see why I love you. You know what will happen? I'll go and tell him tomorrow.
As you watch fire, I must give you the fight. The battle line is strong forever. The bond is broken forever. No going back.
He said it's on the way. Okay. I don't mind. I can wait all day, even till next year. I can wait. I thought you said you were tired. I'm not tired. As long as you give me this money, I don't mind. I'll wait. From now till December. From December to next year, I can wait. You wait. No problem. So long you're not tired. I'm not tired. But I trust him. Any amount you want, you just give it. Are you sure? Very sure now. I've been there like he has been giving people money for some time now. You trust him that much. Very well. Very generous. Okay, if you be this man, I guess. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Is it the person that needs?
Yes, it's the one.
Okay. Come in. Let's go to my house.
Are you not coming with us?
No.
I need to run along. I have one or two things to do. Okay. Sir, sorry, excuse me, sir. Do you know this man very well?
Yes, I know him very well now.
You trust him that I should follow him out?
I trust him.
No,
now, it's not like that. It's not like I've known him for a very long time now. Nothing will happen to him.
No problem, let's go, no problem.
Just enter.
I'll see you when I come back.
Alright, no shit. Alright, now. Thank you, sir. Thank you. need money, oh. I need money. I need like 500,000 naira. But even if I get more than that, maybe 1 million or so, I can manage it. I'll pay back.
See, you are the one to say how much you need. Even if you need up to 10 million naira, we can give it to you, provided you pay the interest every month.
Okay, let me just go with 1 million naira. Fine.
Okay, 1 million naira. I hope you told you about our interest rate is 6%. That is 1,060,000 naira.
Oh,
Sorry,
okay.
60,000 naira every month.
Okay. It's not bad.
Yes, we're not greedy. As long as we keep on paying us our 60,000 naira every month, nobody will come and disturb you, even if you take the less.
Wow, that's great. That's great.
So, what are you using for collateral?
Eh?
I mean, what are you using as a collateral?
Sir, Chicken never told me anything about collateral. I'm just hearing it.
And you want to borrow money? You're supposed to give us the document of your house or car, anything for.
Sir, I don't have any of these things you are asking. I don't have it. Oh, Chicken didn't tell me. Oh.
Do you think we are here to run a charity organization? This is business.
Sir, I know it's business, but please, can I just have the money, please? I really need it. I'll pay back, please.
Please. Working. I left what I was doing to come here thinking we are here for a real business. Please, just get out of my car before I change my mind.
Sir, Bikon, I need this money, Bikon.
Please, don't let me change my mind. Huh?
So, Chicken didn't explain to me very well like that.
Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're worst enemy. If you're jealousy, you can greediness, you can
Hello, Chike. No, they tell me how far. Don't ask me that question. What is this now? Eh? Give me what? He didn't give me anything. Eh? They're asking me of collateral. Where did they expect me to get it from? Why didn't you explain all these things to me now? You brought me out here just to mess me up. Just look at what you're talking about. Just look at what you're saying. You know quite well that I don't have those things they are requesting for. You know it. Chike, you know it. You just brought me to embarrass me in front of before this guy. Is it right? You don't do your own share. You don't do your own. You are laughing. You don't do your own. Don't worry. Go see now.
You're not eating. Why? I mean, it's good. The chicken, the chips, the smoothie, yes. It's good for your skin.
I did not come here to eat Obele and Junior yet, okay? So say whatever thing you have to say so I can leave this place. Food is not my problem.
All animals are created equal, but some are actually equal than others. See, we are talking about two classes in life. It is either you are a royalty or you are a commoner. Royalty class or a commoner's class. It is the truth. Nature made it so. No matter how you try to dismiss this, I tell you, it remains the truth. It's either you belong to the royalty class or the commoner.
I don't understand. What has this got to do with us? Like, this meeting?
It has everything to do with you. See, the very first time I set my eyes on you, I wept in my heart. I saw an error on Rampage. I saw a beggar riding on a horse while a princess walks on her bare feet. When I said to myself, woe unto me if I allow this to happen, if I fail to correct this error.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. I see a princess mingling with beggars. I see a beggar parading himself as your hero. Do you really know who you are? Do you know your worth at all? Do you know how beautiful you are? See, let me tell you. The day God created every human being on earth is the day He decides their fate. Whether they will be royalty or they will be a commoner. Why not allow God to place you where He wants you to be? Royalty. Well, I'll leave you to your conscience. I mean, how can a beautiful girl like you stay under the sun, flagging tricycle and motorcycle on the way? You're not supposed to be there. You are not supposed to be under the sun. That's because you chose the wrong option.
Oh, but I don't know what you're talking about. Believe me, I don't understand this. I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway, this is me offering you an opportunity of a real life destiny. Please allow me be your hero. Allow me to take you to that class where you belong. And that is royalty. I'll take my leave now. If you want to take anything while I leave, feel free. Order whatever you want. The restaurant is on my payroll. I'll leave now. Please ponder about everything I've explained to you. It's either you choose the side of royalty or you choose the side of a commoner. If you're going to choose the side of a royalty, make me your first option.